Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make 2-ingredient slime that any of you can do. So what you're going to need is some glue. I'm using Elmer's clear glue, but you can use white glue, glitter glue, glow-in-the-dark glue, any kind of glue you want. It doesn't have to be Elmer's, it can be a different brand too. And you're going to need something to mix with. I'm just using this comb, but you can use a popsicle stick or anything. And you need a mixing bowl or a mixing cup to make your slime in. Mine has already some slime in it, but I'm going to clean it up. And most importantly, you are going to need some activator. I'm using Tide. Tide is the one that works best for it, but you can use any other detergent. So the first thing you're going to need to do is pour your glue in there. I was running out of glue, so in the middle I had to put in some water. And you can see I kind of spilled it. Okay, so that's all the glue I have. So I'm gonna empty it out. And the next thing you're gonna need to do is add some of your activator, your Tide or any other detergent. And then you can just mix it up. This is my favorite part, mixing it up. It's just really satisfying. I hope you can relate to that. So if it's still a little sticky, you could still add some more activator and then mix it up. Okay, so this is what I've got. I think I like it. So I'm gonna go in with my hands and feel how it's like. And it feels really sticky and slimy. So all you have to do to make it not sticky and gross looking is you have to knead it a lot, like how I'm doing in the video. So there it is. And here is how it looks like after kneading. I really like it. It's really soft and clicky and stuff. So here are some clips of me playing with the slime. And please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. So bye and have fun watching the clips.